What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this video, we're going to go over the 3 tips to finding the best money-making products to promote on Clickbank. So, without any further ado, let's get into the money-making content. Let's go! What's up, everyone? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and thank you for checking out this video on the 3 tips to finding the best money-making products to promote on Clickbank. So this channel talks all about making money online when it comes to creating sales funnels, building landing pages, building websites, talking all about email marketing, CPA marketing, all the like that falls under that making money online umbrella. So if that is your jam, if that's how you want to get down, if that's how you want to learn how to make money and get this thing rolling, then hit that subscribe button down there and also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop new fire hot content videos. All right, so without any further ado, let's jump into the money making content. We're going to talk about the 3 tips on finding the best money making products to promote on Clickbank, and this is how you do it. The first tip that we're going to talk about today is called understanding your customer. All right, you've got to have an understanding of the market. You've got to know what it is that is paining your customer, what it is that they want, what it is that they need. And you've got to get into the psyche of your customer. You've got to find out what is making them click, what is their pain points, and how can you position yourself to offer them that product or service that's going to solve their problem. At the end of the day, that's what selling is. You are connecting a person with a product that solves their problem. And so it makes a big difference in understanding what makes your customer tick. And so the way you do that is by doing some market research. You've got to understand what your customer wants by going to where they are. Going to hangouts, say for instance, forums on the internet, going to different groups that talk about those different things that they're interested in. Say for instance, you have a customer and they want to find types of music, sheet music, when it comes to learning how to play a piano. All right. Well, maybe that person is kind of honed in on what it is that they're looking for. All right. So maybe they won't be the ideal candidate to purchase what it is that you're looking for. But say, for instance, that you have a customer who is anxious on learning how to play the piano fast because they've got to perform something in front of a group of people. Maybe you can put something in place to provide them to solve that problem for them. All right. So you've got to go to places that these people hang out. Like I said, forums, hangouts, groups. Type it into Google search, type it into Yahoo or Bing or whatever, and look up forums on learning how to play piano fast, or forums or groups on learning how to play the piano quickly. And that way you can kind of determine, their lingo. You can get an understanding of how they talk, and then you can be able to, use those words that they use, when it comes to a piano riff, or when it comes to a particular key that they're trying to play, or a chord that they're trying to play. You get an idea of the lingo and the nomenclature that they use in their language, in in their culture, and what it is that they love so much and what they're looking to learn to do. So you can determine what they want, what they need, and what their problems are by going to where your customers hang out. So you can be able to, post comments. You can, get involved in the chat rooms when it comes to learning how to play the piano or anything involving that type of market. You get an understanding of what it is that they want and they need and what their problems are. So you get into their psyche. So once you have an understanding of what it is that they want and need and what their problems are, you can be able to position yourself into uh, solving their problem on whatever product it is that you want to promote to them. All right, so that's tip number one, understanding your customer. All right, so now on to tip number two. Tip number two involves a metric in Clickbank, and it's called gravity. All right. Gravity is a metric that Clickbank uses, and it represents how well a product sells based on how many sales have been made and how recent those sales were. All right. Now I can show you an example of the metric gravity on here. We're inside Clickbank right now on the main page under my account. And let's go over here to where it says, let's see, e-business and e-marketing. That's pretty much my niche that I'm in, the money making online niche. And so we're here on Clickbank right now in the marketplace. And right here it says sort results by popularity. Well, we don't want to do popularity. Just because it's popular doesn't mean that it's doing well. All right. So let's go over here and scroll down to where it says gravity. All right. It's going to realign this list of products that we can promote differently. Now, see, now we have gravity right here. And the gravity score, you generally want to have a gravity score between around 30 to 80. All right. You don't want to go too much higher because it's too much competition, but that's okay. I'll explain that also. But according to this right here, 5-minute profit sites, new for November 2018. This is the highest when it comes to gravity on this score right here. Now, granted, I said between 30 and 80, that's fine. That's generally where you want to be, the consensus. But this one has a gravity score of 108.68. Now, understanding that gravity is high, like I said, this metric represents how well each product sells based on how many have been sold and how recent they've been. Now, having a score of over 100% or over 100, that means there's a lot of competition for this particular product, but yet and still that's a good thing because it means that there's a lot of demand for this product as well. That means if affiliates are promoting this product, this 5-minute profit sites product, that means the demand is very high for it. And if the demand is high, maybe they can't even match the demand. That's why they're promoting this product, and many others are doing well in the same space. I mean, for example, let's take the makeup industry. All right, let's take the makeup industry for this example for high gravity. The makeup industry, you've got products or brands like Maybelline, you've got CoverGirl, you've got L'Oreal, and you've got MAC products. All four of those brands out there are in that makeup industry, and all of them do very, very well across all scopes and profitability. I mean, if you think about it, women want to look good. They want to feel good about themselves. And looking good is part of their confidence. And so Maybelline and CoverGirl, they all do very well in this space because it's granted it's very high competition there, but it's such a high demand, it's room for everyone to make money. That's why all four of those brands out there, MAC, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Cover, all of them, they do very well. They're on social media, they're on television, they're on radio, all right? And so they do extremely well in this makeup industry because the demand is so high. It's so much room for them to be able to make a brand for themselves, make a name for themselves in that industry. And the same thing goes for this website, I'm sorry, this product right here, 5-minute profit sites, being that that gravity score is over the typical, 108.68. That is, it's a very hefty number, but like I said, the competition is high, but so is the demand. So that means there's a room for you to be able to, carve your particular niche, into that money making product right there. And look at it. I mean, you make roughly $36.38 to promote this product. All right. So another good tip, if you were to go to their affiliate page, more than likely they have a email swipes that you can be able to utilize, marketing materials like banners and ads that you can be able to put on your website and put into your email sequence, if any at all. So that right there is tip number 2, is gravity. High competition. If it's high competition, it more than likely means there's room in that market to make a lot of money. Like I said, with the example of the makeup industry. All right. So that's tip number 2. Now on to tip number 3. I'm gonna flip over my notepad. Tip number 3 is multiple products. All right. So multiple products in this space. All right. So it's important to have multiple products in your space. Then if you have multiple products, you can be able to, create a review page. You can be able to create a review page that talks all about that one particular product. And you can be able to piggyback with other products that are in line with or similar to that same product. If you do a great type of comparison, type of blog or type of article or type of review page for these products, you can be able to give the customer a a means of being able to make a good decision based on the comparisons that you've done with your review page. And so if they've said in their mind that this particular product has this and this and this, and this particular product has this, this, and this, I like these features better than this particular one. So I've made my buying decision right now. So you've given the customer, you've empowered them with the right decision-making tools that they need to, make you a commission and make a sale. So you've solved their problems by having multiple products in your niche. All right. So if you only had just one product, to promote that's in that niche, more than likely you've got well-established marketers that are doing the same thing, and they're a little bit more rooted than what you are. So it's going to be a little bit tougher for you to be able to compete on that level if you're not honed in, and if you don't have your skill level, up to par to compete with other more established marketers. All right. So that's it for this video. With that being said, I hope you found value in this video. I hope that you, if you have anyone who knows anything about this type of stuff that you want to share with them, go right ahead and share it with them also. And also, if you want to learn other tips about how to find money making products on Clickbank to promote, I've got a link in my description that you can be able to click to go to a blog for Clickbank, and it talks more about other useful and valuable tips that they have available to you to learn about. All right. So with that being said, if you like this video, like I said, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up in there. Leave a comment below if you want to learn more about these different types of things that I talk about on this website. Like I said, hit that subscription button and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop new fire content ready for you on marketingonlineenterprises.com. With that being said, you have a good one. Deuces.